Hi everyone, I'm going to be going over what's happening in week 11. We have a shorter week this week because the university is closed on Friday. So what you will see for week 11 is that you have the main thing you have due on Monday is a fixed up draft of your editor's introduction. So this is a draft that you are building on from your down draft. So if you remember in the Anne Lamott essay, Shitty First Drafts, she says the first draft you write is down draft, and then you fix that draft up. So this is a fixed up draft. So it's not a final draft either, but you're adding more content and refining some things that you said in the down draft. Okay, so in order to get there, to add more to your fixed up draft, which you'll want to have at least 1,000 words for, I have some optional exercises for you that are pretty helpful in just adding more content to your draft. So this one I think is the best place to start, is to have two windows open. So to have a new Google Doc open that you can use for your editor's intro that you'll turn in. And then in another window have your down draft open. So instead of copying and pasting, simply retype your down draft. And as you're doing that, do it kind of slowly and add any new material that you think of as you're writing. Revise things that you've said in your down draft. And then is there anything that you want to leave out? So this can be really helpful to just get going on the down draft, is to just start rewriting what you already have for the down draft into this fixed up draft. And then this section, this exercise is meant to help you with section 2, where you're talking about the connections between the sources in each of your categories. So again, these are optional, but they can help you if you are stuck. So they are there as resources for you. And then you will submit a fixed up draft. So remember that your final draft in the reader's guide will be at least 1,500 words. But for this fixed up draft, I'd like you to try to get to 1,000. Okay. You'll want to have the Google Doc with this draft be in your group's Google folder. If it's not there, I can't see it and your group can't see it. Okay, so you're going to just submit the URL, which will just be at the top of the document, not the shareable link. If it's in your folder, I have access to it. Just copy and paste the URL. All right, and then I'm asking you also to just review the Reader's Guide assignment. I know that we've looked at this already, but it's helpful to continue to familiarize yourself with the genre of Reader's Guide and to just know really well what you're being asked to do for the entire assignment, and that we're working on piece by piece. So this kind of gives you just the perspective of where the editor's introduction is fitting in with the rest of the Reader's Guide, and it's helpful always to read an assignment 2, 3, 4 times to really get in your head what you'll be doing. Okay, so that's it for Monday. And then for Wednesday, you're going to do a peer response to the fixed up drafts. Okay, so you'll use the Google Comments feature on each of your group members' drafts and make sure that you are getting to all your group members that have a draft in their folder. And that is it for the week. You'll see in the announcement this week, I have some suggestions for that, some more suggestions for that second section of the editor's introduction. So please make sure that you review those, and I hope everyone has a great week.